Good morning, everybody. I have just one shift this morning, so let's drive to work together. We are out here this morning. I am so tired. We went on our boat last night and we didn't get home till like after 9 o'clock, so we're out here this morning. The morning started off with a bang. My son came in our room at like 5:30 this morning. My alarm was just about to go off, and he said he was done sleeping for the night. I said, absolutely not. You didn't go to bed till almost 10 o'clock last night, so you're going back to bed. And it was a whole big old battle, a battle that I did not have the time nor the energy for. So I think he's just laying in bed with my husband. Hopefully he falls back asleep. I'm supposed to be charge nurse today, but I already looked at the schedule and I think I'm just working as a regular ICU nurse. I know in my last couple drive to works I've said that we've had low census, so I am assuming that they didn't have enough patients to have a charge nurse. Also, totally unrelated side note, I got Botox yesterday. I do get Botox probably about 3 times a year, and I know Botox isn't for everybody, but I love getting Botox. So I don't actually get like the Botox brand, I get Dysport, and it kicks in so quickly. I just got it less than 24 hours ago and I can already feel it kicking in. Botox is definitely not like a necessity for the majority of people, but I definitely love it. I have taken really good care of my skin the last several years, and Botox just kind of is that little extra push from having like really good skin to great skin. I just like the smooth, no wrinkle, just my makeup goes on super nice. When I have my bare skin, it looks just super like glassy and smooth and shiny. And that might not be what is best for everybody, but I personally love it on myself. And for those who are curious, I do my 11s, I do my forehead, I do my crow's feet, and I also the last 2 times have done my masseter. I don't have TMJ or clench or anything, but it really helps my face look a little more slim. And I have a pretty round face, and I think like personally for myself, I just feel like when I smile and I have a super round face, it makes me look a little heavier than I actually am. So this just makes me feel a little bit more confident and comfortable in my own skin. It's such a hard balance as a woman between like, one, appreciating your body for what it is in the moment that you're at currently, because wrinkles and loose skin and stretch marks and just aging in general is not a bad thing. I'm not trying to be out there looking like I'm 18 years old, but I do like to feel like I have like an inner glow and an outer glow, and so this is just part of that. I have a couple extra minutes before work, so I'm actually going to grab a salad and go breakfast burrito and maybe a wrap for lunch and a coffee. Although I am not a huge fan of Salad and Go's coffee. I'm sorry. I love Salad and Go's burritos. I love their wraps, their salads. I love their lemonade. The coffee, I'm just getting it so I don't get a headache in about 6 hours, but it definitely would not be my first choice. Sorry, Salad and Go.
What can I make for you today?
Can I get a Fiesta breakfast burrito with the green salsa?
Okay.
And then can I do a cold brew with half and half and caramel?
Half and half and caramel in the cold brew, okay?
And then can I do the caprese salad wrap?
Okay, caprese wrap. Did you want chicken, tofu, or steak with that?
I'll do chicken in that. And that should be it. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, secured the goods. Now I got to go to work. Okay, I'm at work. I'm going to try and eat my breakfast burrito really quick and then head into work. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope I have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.